Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm back with another reveal video, and today I will be sharing with you the new Slimline Scribbles Background Stamp. This is a huge cling-mounted red rubber stamp, and the stamped image measures 8 5/8 by 3 3/4, so it is large enough to cover the front of a slimline card. It is cling mounted, so you can use it with a stamp positioner or your MISTI tool. Usually when I use a background stamp like this, I prefer to just leave it face up on my work surface. I'll ink it up really well, and then I will place my cardstock on top of my inked stamp, and then place a piece of scratch paper on top of that and rub really well to get a really nice transfer of ink. I just love the fine detail of the random scribbles of this stamp. I think that it's very versatile and it can be used for pretty much anything at all. You can see right here just how fine and detailed it is. I do have a couple of samples to share with you, and for this first one, I just used it as a very subtle background by doing some emboss resist, and then I used the new Cutie alphabet die set to create a bunch of words. For my second card, I used it literally as a background, but I think that it goes very well with the flowers, and it didn't take away from the font from the Big Hugs die that I had used. And then for my third card, I just wanted to share that it could be used very easily on an A2 sized card. I did use it on the very bottom, and then I also used it behind my little doodle frame. And I just wanted to also share how it can go from being a subtle background when you want your words to be the focus, to using it with elegant florals, all the way to using it with the cute or the whimsical types of stamps. For more information about this stamp and the other products that I used, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog for more inspiration. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.